Assalamualaikum Abang Umi semua. Kembali lagi bersama kami keluarga Tantoni. Yuk kita baca buku lagi. Jangan lupa ya. Ting ting ting. Three little pigs. Hap hap hap. Wow. Assalamualaikum. Hari ini Umi sama Ais mau coba baca buku berbahasa asing ya. Judulnya Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who lived with their mother. One day, it was time for the little pigs to leave home and build their own house. Suatu hari ada 3 pig yang tinggal bersama ibunya. Tapi suatu ketika ini adalah waktunya untuk meninggalkan rumah dan membangun rumah mereka sendiri. The little pigs couldn't wait to build their own house, so they set off happily on their journey. As they walked along the road, the little pig soon came across a man with a cart filled with straw. "This is the best building material," said the first little pig. Jadi, ketiga pig bertemu dengan om-om di jalan yang membawa gerobak penuh dengan jerami. Terus pig yang pertama bilang, "Ini adalah material terbaik yang saya temui." So after a day of hard work, the first little pig had built himself a fine house made of straw. Akhirnya, pig yang pertama berhasil membangun rumahnya dari jerami. The two other little pigs looked at his house and thought that they could do better. So they continued down the road. Akhirnya, dua adik pig yang kecil itu melanjutkan perjalanannya karena mereka yakin bahwa mereka bisa membangun rumah yang lebih baik lagi. A little further along a road, the two little pigs met a man with a cart loaded with a stick. "This is the best building material," said the second little pig. Akhirnya, kedua pig bertemu dengan bapak-bapak berkumis yang membawa kayu. "Ini adalah material terbaik," kata pig yang kedua. So after a few days of hard work, the second little pig helped build himself a handsome house made of stick. Akhirnya nih, setelah beberapa hari bekerja keras, pig yang kedua berhasil membangun rumahnya dari kayu. Handsome house menurutnya. And the last little pig looked at his house and thought that he could do better. So he waved goodbye and continued farther down the road. Akhirnya nih, pig yang terakhir, pig yang paling kecil atau adik bungsunya, melanjutkan perjalanan karena dia yakin bahwa dia bisa membangun rumah yang lebih baik lagi. Not much farther along the road, the third little pig met a man with a pick-up truck filled with brick. Tidak jauh setelah berjalan, si adik bungsu bertemu dengan om-om yang membawa truk yang dipenuhi dengan batu bata. "This is exactly what I have been waiting for. This is the best building material," said the little pig. "Ini adalah bahan yang aku tunggu-tunggu. Ini adalah bahan yang terbaik," kata si bungsu dengan senang. After a week of hard work, the third little pig had built himself a sturdy brick house. Tuh, akhirnya setelah beberapa minggu dia bekerja keras membangun rumahnya, jadi deh rumahnya. Wah, cantik ya. Dan akhirnya bisa santai-santai nih si bungsu. One morning, a big bad wolf was out for a walk when he noticed that first little pig in his straw house. Little pig, let me come in," said the wolf. "Not by the hair on my chin," speak the first little pig. Suatu hari, si wolf atau serigala itu jalan-jalan keluar dari hutan, dan dia itu memperhatikan bahwa pig yang pertama, si kakak sulung itu ada di rumah jeraminya. Akhirnya, "Hey little pig, izinkan aku masuk?" "Tidak," kata si little pig. "Then I will hoof and I blow your house down," growled the wolf. The wolf took a deep breath and blew down the house made of straw. The first little pig ran as quickly as he could to the house made of stick. Karena tidak dibukakan pintu oleh si kakak sulung, akhirnya serigala itu meniup rumah jeraminya. Huf, huf, huf. Akhirnya si kakak sulung pergi ke rumah pig yang kedua. Following the first little pig, the wolf arrived at the house made of stick. Akhirnya setelah mengikuti kakak sulung pig, dia menemukan rumah dari kayu milik dari pig yang kedua. Little pigs, let me come in," called the wolf. "Not by the hairs on your chinny chin chin," squeaked the little pig. "Then I will hoof, and I will poof, and I will blow your house down," growled the wolf again. Akhirnya setelah tidak diizinkan masuk oleh dua pig tadi, serigala marah dan kembali meniup. Huff, 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 huff. Terbang dari rumahnya. The two little pigs ran as quickly as they could to the brick house. Akhirnya, si pig itu lari kencang sekali menuju ke rumah batu bata milik si bungsu. Again, the wolf followed the little pig and reached the house made of bricks. Little pig, let me come in," shouted the wolf. "Not by the hairs on our chinny chin chin." Itu artinya apa sih, nggak tahu ya. Scared the little pigs. "Then I will hoof and I will poof and I will blow your house down," growled the wolf again. But as much as he tried, the big bad wolf couldn't blow down the house made of brick. Walaupun si serigala mencoba untuk meniup rumah yang dari batu bata, tapi ternyata dia tidak bisa. But the wolf wouldn't give up that easily. He climbed up to the top of the house and started to squeeze down the chimney. Akhirnya si serigala itu tidak mau menyerah dan memutuskan untuk memanjat ke atap rumah dan mau masuk melalui cerobong asap. Suddenly the third little pig had an idea. Akhirnya, tapi tiba-tiba si pig yang ketiga itu punya ide. Quickly the three little pig set a big pot of boiling water over the fire. Just as the wolf squeezed down the chimney, the wolf fell straight into the pot of boiling water, and that was the end of him. Blum, blub, 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 blub. Akhirnya si serigala masuk melalui cerobong asap dan masuk ke big pot yang isinya air mendidih. The third little pig had outsmarted the big bad wolf and built the strongest house. He was a very clever little pig indeed. Akhirnya setelah serigala nakal tadi masuk ke boiling water, akhirnya dia menghilang. Iya, karena kepanasan. Setelah itu, akhirnya three little pig tinggal bersama di brick house milik si bungsu, and happily ever after. Yeay, begitulah ceritanya. Terima kasih, maaf jika berantakan. Ini adalah Three Little Pigs, buku dari BBW, buku bahasa Inggris. Untuk yang ingin bisa